Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza ketchup at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, a small onion, and a couple of cloves of garlic. Don't forget your herbs, dried oregano, basil, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. A tablespoon of sugar and a splash of olive oil will complete your list. This simple preparation ensures a delicious homemade sauce. Now let's start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add your finely diced onion and garlic, sautéing until they become translucent and fragrant, which takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, add your chopped tomatoes to the pan. Let them simmer gently for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until they begin to break down and soften. This forms the flavorful base. It's time to add those wonderful flavors. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes, enhancing the overall taste. Let the mixture simmer for another 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Then, use an immersion blender to achieve your desired smooth consistency. Finally, let's perfect your pizza ketchup. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Allow it to simmer for an additional 5 minutes to thicken slightly, reaching that ideal ketchup consistency. Once it's ready, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Transfer your homemade pizza ketchup to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.